Dear children, let us continue with the same chapter, fractions, but I will give you the new topic, that is comparing fractions. You studied in the last year also for comparing fractions, but you studied only like fractions. Is it? And for this year, we need to study about unlike fractions also, right? Okay, then I will repeat one more time comparing like fractions that you studied in 4th standard, but I will repeat one more time for you, right? Okay, and to compare the like fractions, compare the numerators. The fractions with the greater numerator is the greatest fraction. Okay, and for the like fractions, all the denominators are same only. We don't want to worry about denominators. We need to compare what only? Numerators. Okay, and which fraction is greater? The numerator with the greater value is the greatest fraction only, right? Is it? I will give you one example, that is 3/7 and 6/7. See the denominators, both are same only. That's why they are called like fractions. And which one is bigger? And the numerators are what only 3 and 6. Which one is greater? 6. So, which fraction is greater? 6/7 is greater. It's clear? Okay. And then we need to put sign here only, right? Okay. Which fraction is greater? 6/7 only. And 6/7, the numerator is greater in 6/7. That's why 6/7 is the greatest fraction, right? Okay. Then, next one is comparing unlike fraction. It is something different only. You need to study, and I will tell you how to do this. This one is comparing unlike fraction with the same numerators. That one is easy for you. Same numerators only, right? And how can you compare? In unlike fraction with the same numerator, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smallest fraction. Read the children one more time. That is, in unlike fraction with the same numerator, all numerators are same only. In this case, what we want to do? The fraction with the greater denominator is the smallest fraction. Because all the numerators are same, then we need to worry about what only? Denominators only. How can we compare denominators? The greater denominator is the smallest fraction only. Is it clear? And which one is bigger only here? 5/6 is bigger. You know what's the reason? All the numerators are same, but in the case of denominators, which one is greater? 12 only greater. That greatest denominator is the smallest fraction only. Okay, that's why which one is bigger here? 5/6 is bigger. You know what's the reason? Shall I want to tell you one more time? Okay, then I will tell. In unlike fraction, what's the special about this thing? In unlike fraction, all the denominators are different only, right? But in unlike fractions, one special case is coming, right? That is what? Numerators are same. If the numerators are same, what we want to do? We need to compare only denominators. And denominator with the greater value is the smallest fraction. Here what is that? Here 6 and 12. Which one is greater? 12 is the bigger number only. That bigger number, that fraction is the smallest fraction only. The denominator with the greater value is the smallest fraction only. Is it clear, children? Okay. Then we will go to the another fraction. That is numerators and denominators both are different only in this case. It is real fractions like different denominators. Okay. Which fraction only? This unlike fraction. And we need to do what? We want to do what only here? You read the steps. step 1 is find the LCM of the denominators. First we need to find the LCM of the denominators. You know how to find the LCM that you studied in the last chapter, right? Okay, and the first you need to find the whatever the denominators, you need to find the LCM of the denominators. After that we need to what? Convert the fractions into equivalent fractions with the LCM. That I will show you children, then only you will understand. I will make you understand with the problems only, right? And after that, then it will become like fractions. First we need to take the LCM. After that we need to make the denominators into the LCM only. That I will show you. Now after that, after you will get like fractions only, right? Then you can compare the fractions. You remember one thing, you can compare only like fractions. That's why we need to change unlike fractions into like fractions, then only you can compare. For that only we need to finish these 3 steps. Is it clear? Okay. Then I will give you some problems also. First problem is compare the fractions. See which type of fraction is this? First we learn about like fractions, right? It is not like fraction. Second I teach you the unlike fractions with the same numerators only. Is it like that? Is it like that? No. And it is something different. It is pure unlike fractions only, right? Okay. How can you do this? I teach you now. We have 3 steps for this. First step is what? We need to find the LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators here? 6 and 4. First I need to find the LCM by the division method, right? How can you find the LCM? Did you remember that? You studied in the last chapter, right? Okay. I need to find LCM of 6 and 4. How can I find it like that? 6 is what? We can write the factors here. 2 into 3 into 1. Okay. And the factors of 4. 4 equals 2 into 1. After that we need to find the common factors in 2. That we need to circle for the LCM. For the LCM, what's the difference between HCF and LCM? In the HCF, we need to take only common factors and multiply only. But LCM, we need to consider other numbers also. Okay? Then LCM is what? LCM is, you tell me, this one considered as 1, 2 only, right? 2 into, balance are what? 3 into, 2 into 1. Answer is what? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. LCM of 6 and 4 is what? 12. Is it? After that I need to change. Here we need to write the LCM is 12. Our first step is over. Second step is what? I need to change. Both the denominators are different only, right? I need to make it into like fraction. Okay. How can I make it like that? We need to make it as equivalent fraction only, right? And how? First I need to consider 4 by 6. I need to change this fraction. And we need to change the denominator as what? LCM. This denominator, I need to change it as 12. Okay. 6 into which number equals LCM? 2. Okay. I need to multiply here 6 into 2. I need to get what? LCM only. Is it? The same number I need to multiply where also? Numerator also. 4 into 2. Answer is what? 4 2s are 8 and 6 2s are 12. It is not difficult. You need to give your full concentration, then you will understand. Okay. And the next fraction is 3 by 4. We need to make both fractions into the denominator as LCM, right? And here 4 is the denominator, right? But I want to change to what? LCM only. 4 into which number equals LCM? 3. I need to multiply by 3. And same number I need to multiply where also? Numerator also. 3 into 3 equals. It equals what? 9 divided by 12. See, now we got two like fractions only. Then it is easy for you, right, for comparing. How can we compare like fractions? We need to compare the fraction with the greater numerator is the greatest fraction. See, which are the fractions? And 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Which one is greater? 9 by 12. And 9 by 12 is greater. That means what? 9 by 12 is which fraction only? 3 by 4 only, right? And here we need to write 3 by 4 is greater than what only? Is greater than which fraction? Greater than which fraction only? 8 by 12. And not 8 by 12. 8 by 12 is for which fraction only? 4 by 6. We need to write here 4 by 6. Now did you understand, children? Is it clear? I will tell you one more time. 4 by 6 and 3 by 4. Both are unlike fraction only. Okay? And it is not easy like like fraction, right? First we need to finish 3 steps. What are they? First we need to find the LCM of the denominators. Which are the denominators? 6 and 4. That I did it here. LCM what we get? What did I get it there? That is 12 only. After that I need to change both the denominators into LCM. Here which denominator only here? 4 by 6. 6 is the denominator. 6 into which number I will get 12? 2. And I need to multiply the same number in the numerator also. Then I will change that fraction into 8 by 12. Is it clear? And one more fraction is there, 3 by 4. I need to change that also to 12. And 4 into which number equals 12? 4 into 3 equals 12. I need to multiply the same number in the numerator also. 3 into 3. And the answer is what? 9 by 12. After that I know. And I got two like fractions only. That is easy for me, right? And which one is greater? The numerator, the fraction with the greatest numerator is the greatest fraction in like fraction, right? So, which one is greater? 9 by 12 or 8 by 12? 9 by 12. And that means what? Which fraction is greater here? 3 by 4 is greater than 4 by 6. I need to put here also. No need. Okay. Then we will go for the next fraction. That is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. See, here also. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? LCM of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 equals. 3 is what? 3 equals 3 into 1. Okay. 3 equals 3 into 1 and 5 equals 5 into 1. And LCM is what? Any common factor is here? No. So, we need to multiply 3 into 5 into 1. That is 15. After that, I need to take each and every fraction like that. 2 by 3 will become what? 3 into which number equals LCM? Here I need to write 15. And 3 into which number? 3 into 5. I need to multiply by the same number here also. Then I got 10 by 15. And one more fraction, 4 by 5. 5 into which number equals 15? 3. I need to multiply here also, 4 into 3. And 12 by 15. After that I can compare. Which one only greater? 12 by 15 is greater only. So, and here I need to write 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Which one is greater only? 2 by 3, this one. and 4 by 5 this one. Which one is greater? This one only greater. That means 4 by 5 is greater. Is it clear? Okay. Then we will go for the next one. 3 by 8 and 3 by 4. And first we need to find LCM of 8 and 4. 8 and 4 equals, 8 equals what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Factors only. And 4 equals 2 into 2 into 1. And the common factors are this 2 and this 2. LCM is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. That is 8. Okay. After that, I need to change both the denominators into LCM. First one, 3 by 8. 8 into 1 equals 8. I need to multiply by 1 only. And same, numerator also, 3 into 1 equals 3. Whatever I need to multiply by the denominator, the same value I need to multiply in the numerator also. Then only I will get equivalent fraction. Okay, we need to change to equivalent fraction. After that only we can compare. Okay, and 3 by 4. 4 into which number equals LCM? 4 into 2. That same number I need to multiply here also. 6 by 8. And which one only bigger here? 3 by 8 or 6 by 8? 6 by 8. That means my which fraction is greater only? 3 by 4 only greater. Here, okay, 3 by 4 is greater than which fraction? Which fraction? 3 by 8. Okay, 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay. Then the next one, 3 by 5 and 5 by 7, 7 by 10, right? And LCM of 5 and 10 is what? 10 equals, 5 equals what? 5 into 1. 10 equals what? 2 into 5. And the common factors are what? 5 and 1 also, right? Okay. And LCM is what? 5 into 2 into 1. That is 10. Is it clear, children? 5 only this. Okay. And after that I need to change each and every fraction into LCM. 5 into which number equals 10. Okay, 5 into 2. And 3 into 2. 6 by 10. And one more fraction, that is 7 by 10. 10 into which number equals 10? 10 into 1. 7 into 1. 7 by 10. And which one only greater? 7 by 10 or 6 by 10? 7 by 10 only. Here, that's why which fraction only greater here? 7 by 10 is greater than what? 3 by 5. Is it clear? Okay. Then we will go for the next one. 4 by 7 and 6 by 7. Both denominators are same. Which fraction is this? Like fraction. And it is easy for you, right? And which one only bigger? 6 by 7. Okay. And what about this? This one is denominators are different. But numerators are same. In that case, we need to compare what only? I teach you in the second one, right? First page, right? That second question only. And the denominators are different, but numerators are same. In that case, we need to compare what only? We need to compare the denominators of the numbers. The denominator with a greater value is the smallest fraction. So, that's why which one only smaller here? This one only smaller here, right? Which one only smaller? This one only smaller. Which one only greater? 5 by 13 is greater. Okay. Thank you.